Hello folks, back again for another little recipe. Never done this one before. Not even sure I'm gonna like it because it's liver and I'm not a liver fan, but we're gonna try this. All the boys at work say they like liver and onions, so we're gonna try liver and onions wrapped in bacon on the smoker. So I've got some bacon laid out here. I'm gonna put the liver on it. Beef liver. Then we're going to put some already caramelized onions on here. Lots of onions. Load her up. Like I said, I've never done this before. And I can't find a recipe anywhere that says how to do it. So we'll see what happens. All right. Oh, I'm gonna sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and pepper as well. All right. Nice tight roll. There. I've got another one to do, but we'll get this on the smoker at 375 for approximately half hour. See how things go. See you at the smoker. Hey folks, we're out here at the old Pit Boss smoker. We're putting these liver, onions, wrapped in bacon on the smoker. 350. Let's see how this goes. Try it for half an hour and check the temp. See if it's up to 160. Cheers. All right, folks, we're gonna take these off. They were set at 350. And it actually took about 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Temperature's just over 160. They do look pretty good. Bacon wrapped liver with stuffed onions inside. All right, here we go. We're gonna cut this up. Check it out. I'm a little scared because I'm not a liver guy, like I told you. Oh, look at that. Huh? Looks pretty good. Tracy's gonna be the guinea pig and eat it. All right, folks, there you have it. Tracy tried it. She loves it. She says it's delicious. Liver and onions wrapped in bacon. Me, not so much. But that's just me. And yeah, so until next time, that's Smoking Shit with Si.